I once had a roommate who microwaved a fork. Like, an actual metal fork. I stopped him right before it exploded and explained. You can't microwave metal, man. Sparks. Fire. Death. You know. He just laughed, said, "Oh, whoops," and walked off. Cool. In a story, right? Wrong. The very next day, I smell something burning. I run into the kitchen. Sparks everywhere, fire alarm screaming. And he's microwaving the same fork. Again. I'm like, dude, what? He goes, I just wanted to see if it had happened twice. He almost burned the building down twice. I started locking up the silverware. If you like these weird Reddit stories while I build stuff, stick around. There's plenty more where that came from. Eyes.